So I wanted to become an attorney from a very young age. My parents, hadn't graduated from high school. They were a bartender and a waitress here in Las Vegas. And every day I watched them work really hard. I told my mom I wanted to be a lawyer. She said, okay, well, if that's what you want to do, you got to go to school and you have to work hard. And I think really what solidified that for me was getting to kind of see what the legal profession would allow us to do. We actually get out and help people who are in a bad situation, who need someone to fight for them, who need someone to encourage them, and need someone to say, you know what, you're going to be okay, and I'm going to help you every step of the way. And I have really found that being a lawyer for the last 12 or so years. And I think that's really what not only helped to drive me to this professional decision, even though it started when I was very young, probably for not the same reasons that I love being a lawyer now. But the last 12 years, I've gotten to really experience that and have just grown to love being a lawyer and being an advocate. I just feel so humbled and honored to get to do this job, really and truly. I, don't come from a place where everyone in my family is a lawyer, or I even knew anybody who was a lawyer. And so it's something that really does ground me, I think, in my values, in believing that people should be heard, in believing that victims need someone to come and help them, and really just loving all aspects of the law for those reasons. So for a lot of people, coming into the legal process and hearing the words litigation and lawsuit can be very scary. It can be very challenging because you don't know what to expect, and you don't know what a judge is going to do, and you don't know what it means to be there with a defense counsel. But this is something that I have been doing for 12 years. I have done many jury trials. I have been in front of many of the judges here in Clark County. I have been up against some of the toughest defense attorneys, and I know what I'm doing in this process. And so I think it's my goal to make sure that that process isn't scary, that you have someone there standing next to you who you can trust, who you can have confidence in, and who knows their way around that system, because this is what I do every single day. So for me, it's something that feels very natural and very normal, and something that I love doing on a daily basis. And so my job really is with clients to make sure that they feel that way as well, and to give them that comfort and assurance.